The other day I was walking by my truck and I noticed that the trim was faded on the bumper. In an otherwise clean truck, you can't be having that. So I went ahead and found these 3 options which claim that it restores the bumper to its original color. We're starting from this blowtorch I saw on TikTok, moving to the cream, and then finally we're gonna spray it with the trim and bumper paint. So we got these 3 options. I do this, y'all can see what I go through for each and to find out which one's gonna be best for y'all. Let me know in the comments what you think is gonna be the best. If you comment, you're gonna get $15 off your next oil change with Mobile Oil Change by Carl's Garage. Help me grow my business. But without further ado, we're gonna get started in testing these 3, and we're gonna start with the blowtorch. So we just washed the car. I don't know if you can tell because it's Texas, the water just evaporated immediately. But we're gonna start with the blowtorch, and we're just gonna blowtorch this area right here, see if this blowtorch can restore it back to its original color. Okay. Oh. 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 Oh.
It looks like it's catching on fire.
I know. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so hot. Oh my. It's a normal summer day in Texas. Doesn't smell too good.
No.
Alright, well, I don't think it's getting this. Yeah, that's just burning it off. Oh my god, okay, yeah, I'll turn it off. Alright. So I definitely don't recommend doing that indoors. I guess it worked on the flat parts. You can kind of see it's like a little darker. But where there was actually no paint, it just made it worse. On the top right here, didn't really do anything. So, blowtorching. It's maybe not the best idea. Okay, so that didn't work. Now on to the Ultimate Black Plastic Restorer. So we're gonna try it on this spot right here. You can examine the before. There's one dark spot. It's all pretty light up here. Now the instructions say,
shake well. For best results, apply a clean, cool. Oh, we can't get that in Texas.
So 2 to 3 applications may be needed for neglected areas. This whole truck is in a neglected area, so it's gonna be a lot. Oh shit.
Maybe I should go.
What did he say?
Alright, we're gonna try it in here and in here. Wow. It might actually be darker. Okay. That worked pretty good. I mean, of course, up here, can't really see much, like, because the top part was really faded. I didn't think anything was going to get except for the spray, but okay. I'm going to really listen to the instructions and give it a chance. We're going to do another coat, like let this dry, do another coat and just see, and then we'll spray it. Let's compare sprayed to the nut. All right, we tried this Ultimate Black Plastic Restorer. Worked pretty good. I mean, my thing's pretty beat up, but worked pretty good so far. I did 2 coats. And we're going to compare it to the final spray paint, trim and bumper paint. So this is, of course, my pick, what I thought was going to do the best, but we're going to try it out now. So we already taped off this area. I don't support underage drinking. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's like a new bumper. Yes. Nice. Called it. We're gonna let this dry, compare it whenever it's all dry, said and done, and we'll be back. Should take like 2 seconds to dry in Texas. So we just, we let the paint dry a little bit. Should be dry enough at least to test and see. We're gonna pull up this tape. On this side we did the compound. I don't know why I keep calling it that. On this side, we did the Ultimate Black Plastic Restorer. On the other side, we sprayed it with the trim and bumper paint. Now, after I peel this tape off, if you have nicer trim, and I mean, it takes less work. You don't have to cover anything. It makes it a little darker, which is good. On this side, we sprayed it. It looks way darker. I mean, it looks actually black. We're gonna see how long it lasts, but you need more work. You need to tape off all this stuff. So depends on what you want. I would not do the blowtorch at all. That's over here. I mean, it made it a little darker, but for the risks like of burning your trim, and I don't know, I just don't think it's worth it. I'd rather get this. This I think was 10 or 15 bucks. I'll put the link, picture wherever, and then the paint also wherever it pops up. So yeah, in my opinion, it would be the paint. Let me know what y'all think, but paint is the way to go for me.
Alright, what's up guys? This is Miss Garage and this is Carl's garage. Ready? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh no!